All right, y'all, today I'm excited to introduce to you a brand new line of fertilizers, the Yard Mastery Natural Nutrient Fertilizers. These are natural-based hybrid fertilizers. So let's talk a little bit about that. You guys know we have our normal fertilizers, Flagship and Stress Blend, our two best sellers. Those are actually synthetic fertilizers, and then we spike in a natural element called Bionite. The natural element feeds soil microbes, builds carbon in the soil, gives you organic material. That's why you get that beautiful black soil. Well, these are more natural forward. Here we start with a natural base and build up, and then we add on a little synthetic on the top just to make sure you get that green pop that you're looking for. We have the 5015 Life Support, and then we have the 2002 Derby Green. These are natural-based hybrid fertilizers, and they also include biostimulants, kelp, humic in the Life Support. We have protein hydrolysates, also called peptides. So if you are using the naturals, you do not have to use the liquid biostimulants any longer. I did a complete video about an hour long where I compared labels side by side from our current line of fertilizers to the naturals. They're all good. I don't want you to think anything's bad here. It's just something different for those of you that like to try something new or like something that's more natural-based. Check out the Yard Mastery line of natural-based hybrid fertilizers. Thanks for supporting Yard Mastery and American small business, and I'll see you in the lawn.